Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make bold and thin text for your video on CapCut. So in here, I'm going to add like a sentence or more than one word tags, but I'm going to make two different boldness of the text. So I'm going to just write first. Okay, for example, like this, and then I'm going to make the tongue play here in bold. So what you need to do is just long press on the word that you want to make it bold and go to style, and in here swipe through the menu until you find the bold italic. Click on the bold option like this, and then the word that you choose will be bold like this. And you can also change the font if you want, like this. Okay, so it will have two different boldness. The tutorial by is thin and the tongue play is bold. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.